Why do 70% of dietitians recommend these soups for blood sugar control? It's not just about the taste or the warmth they bring on a chilly day. These soups are packed with nutrients that help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a perfect addition to your diet if you're looking to manage diabetes or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle. Let's explore why these specific soups are so beneficial and how they can make a difference in your daily routine. Let's dive in and find out. Each of these soups has unique ingredients that contribute to their health benefits. From lean proteins to fiber-rich vegetables, these soups are designed to provide a balanced meal that supports blood sugar control. So, grab a spoon and get ready to learn about the top 5 soups that can help you maintain better blood sugar levels. Our first pick is a classic, chicken vegetable soup. This soup is a staple in many households, and for good reason. It's not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. The combination of lean chicken and a variety of vegetables makes it a powerhouse of essential nutrients. Chicken provides high-quality protein, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Protein also helps to keep you feeling full for longer, reducing the likelihood of snacking on high-sugar foods. Packed with lean protein and fiber-rich veggies, it keeps those blood sugar spikes at bay. The vegetables in chicken vegetable soup, such as carrots, celery, and spinach, are rich in dietary fiber. Fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes, as it helps to prevent sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Additionally, the vitamins and minerals found in these vegetables support overall health and well-being. Next, we have lentil soup. Lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels. This hearty soup is not only filling, but also incredibly nutritious. Lentils are rich in complex carbohydrates, which are broken down slowly by the body, providing a steady source of energy without causing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Full of fiber and plant-based protein, it's a hearty option that slows down glucose absorption. The fiber in lentils also plays a crucial role in blood sugar management. It helps to slow the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing sudden increases in blood sugar levels. Additionally, lentils are packed with essential nutrients such as iron, folate, and magnesium, which support overall health. This makes lentil soup a well-rounded meal that not only tastes great, but also provides numerous health benefits. Third on the list is tomato basil soup. This soup is a favorite for many, thanks to its rich flavor and smooth texture. Tomatoes are the star ingredient in this soup, and they bring a host of health benefits to the table. They are low in carbohydrates, making them a great option for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Additionally, tomatoes are high in antioxidants, particularly lycopene, which has been shown to have numerous health benefits. Tomatoes are low in carbs and high in antioxidants, making this a tasty and beneficial choice. The antioxidants in tomatoes help to reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress, which can be particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. Basil, the other key ingredient in this soup, adds a burst of flavor and also has health benefits. It contains compounds that have been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Together, tomatoes and basil create a delicious and nutritious soup that supports blood sugar management. Fourth, we can't forget about minestrone. This Italian favorite is a hearty and nutritious soup that is packed with a variety of vegetables and beans. The combination of ingredients in minestrone makes it a well-balanced meal that provides a mix of essential nutrients. Beans are a key component of this soup, and they are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber. They help to slow the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. This Italian favorite is loaded with beans and veggies, offering a balanced mix of nutrients. The vegetables in minestrone, such as zucchini, carrots, and spinach, are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients support overall health and help to reduce inflammation, which is important for managing diabetes. Additionally, the fiber in the vegetables and beans helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods. This makes minestrone a great option for anyone looking to maintain a healthy diet and manage their blood sugar levels. Last but certainly not least, try some miso soup. Miso soup is a traditional Japanese soup that is made with fermented miso paste. This soup is not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for gut health. The fermentation process used to make miso paste creates beneficial probiotics, which are essential for a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is crucial for overall health and can play a significant role in blood sugar management. The fermented miso paste is great for gut health, which is key for managing blood sugar. The probiotics in miso soup help to improve digestion and support a healthy immune system. Additionally, miso paste is rich in essential nutrients such as vitamins B, E, and K, as well as minerals like zinc and manganese. These nutrients support overall health and well-being. The combination of probiotics and essential nutrients makes miso soup a great addition to your diet if you're looking to manage your blood sugar levels and support overall health. So next time you're craving something warm and comforting, grab one of these dietitian-approved soups. Whether you're looking to manage your blood sugar levels or simply enjoy a nutritious and delicious meal, these soups are a great choice. They are packed with essential nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Plus, they are easy to make and can be enjoyed as a meal or a snack. So why not give them a try and see how they can benefit your health? Your taste buds and your blood sugar will thank you. These soups are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. They provide a balanced mix of nutrients that support blood sugar management and overall well-being. So the next time you're looking for a warm and comforting meal, reach for one of these dietitian-approved soups. Your body will thank you for it. Stay healthy and happy eating. Remember, maintaining a healthy diet is key to managing your blood sugar levels and overall health. These soups are a great addition to your diet and can help you achieve your health goals. So, enjoy these delicious and nutritious soups and stay healthy and happy. Welcome to Chapter 2, Benefits of Soup for Blood Sugar Control. In this chapter, we will explore the various benefits of consuming soup for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Stay tuned. Firstly, soups are an excellent way to incorporate a variety of vegetables into your diet. Vegetables are rich in fiber, which is crucial for slowing down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. This helps in preventing sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. By including a mix of different vegetables in your soups, you can enjoy a nutrient-dense meal that supports blood sugar control. Another benefit of soup is its high water content. The water in soups helps you stay hydrated, which is essential for overall health and can also aid in blood sugar regulation. Staying hydrated helps your body manage insulin more effectively, which is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Soups are also incredibly versatile. You can easily adjust the ingredients to suit your dietary needs and preferences. For example, if you need to increase your protein intake, you can add lean meats, legumes, or tofu to your soup. Protein is important for blood sugar management, as it helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods. Additionally, the warm and comforting nature of soup makes it a great option for mindful eating. Taking the time to savor each spoonful can help you eat more slowly, which aids in digestion and helps your body better regulate blood sugar levels. Mindful eating can also help you recognize when you're full, preventing overeating. Lastly, soups can be a convenient and easy meal option. You can prepare a large batch of soup and store it in the refrigerator or freezer for later. This makes it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan, even on busy days. Having a nutritious meal ready to go can help you avoid the temptation of high sugar or processed foods, which can negatively impact your blood sugar levels. So, there you have it. Soups are not only delicious and easy to make, but also offer numerous benefits for blood sugar control. By incorporating a variety of vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy ingredients into your soups, you can enjoy a balanced meal that supports your health and well-being. Stay tuned for more tips and recipes on how to maintain healthy blood sugar levels with nutritious and tasty soups. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet is key to managing your blood sugar levels and overall health. So, why not make soup a regular part of your meal plan? Your body will thank you for it. Stay healthy and happy eating. Welcome to Chapter 3, Top Ingredients for Blood Sugar-Friendly Soups. This chapter will highlight the best ingredients to include in your soups to help manage blood sugar levels effectively. Let's dive in. First on our list is leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are fantastic choices. These greens are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, making them perfect for blood sugar control. They are also rich in vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Next, we have non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini. These veggies are low in calories and carbohydrates, but high in fiber and essential nutrients. They help keep your soup filling and nutritious without causing a spike in blood sugar levels. Third, consider adding beans and legumes. Chickpeas, lentils, and black beans are excellent sources of protein and fiber. They not only help in stabilizing blood sugar levels, but also keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. Another great ingredient is lean protein. Chicken breast, turkey, and tofu are all good options. Protein helps to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Don't forget about healthy fats. Adding a small amount of olive oil, avocado, or nuts can enhance the flavor of your soup while providing essential fatty acids that support blood sugar management. Lastly, spices and herbs can be your best friends. Cinnamon, turmeric, and ginger have been shown to have beneficial effects on blood sugar levels. They add both flavor and health benefits to your soups. By incorporating these ingredients into your soups, you can create delicious and nutritious meals that support your blood sugar management goals. Stay tuned for our upcoming chapters, where we'll share some mouth-watering soup recipes that are both tasty and blood sugar friendly. Happy cooking! Welcome to Chapter 4, Easy Soup Recipes for Blood Sugar Management. Here, we will share some simple and delicious soup recipes that are perfect for keeping your blood sugar in check. Let's get cooking. First up, we have a classic lentil and vegetable soup. This hearty soup combines the power of lentils with a medley of non-starchy vegetables like carrots, celery, and tomatoes. Packed with fiber and protein, this soup will keep you full and satisfied without spiking your blood sugar levels. Simply saute your veggies, add lentils and broth, and let it simmer until everything is tender. Season with your favorite herbs and spices for an extra flavor boost. Next, let's make a creamy spinach and cauliflower soup. This low-carb soup uses cauliflower as a base to create a creamy texture without the need for heavy cream. Add fresh spinach for a nutrient-packed punch. Start by cooking cauliflower in a bit of olive oil, add broth, and blend until smooth. Stir in fresh spinach and let it wilt before seasoning with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Our third recipe is a spicy black bean soup. This soup is loaded with protein and fiber from black beans and gets its kick from spices like cumin, chili powder, and a touch of cayenne pepper. Sauté onions and garlic, add black beans, tomatoes, and broth, then let it simmer. Blend a portion of the soup for a thicker consistency and enjoy this flavorful, blood sugar-friendly meal. For a protein-packed option, try our chicken and vegetable soup. Use lean chicken breast and a variety of non-starchy vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and green beans. Sauté the chicken until it's cooked through, add your veggies and broth, and let it simmer until the vegetables are tender. Season with your favorite herbs for a comforting and nutritious soup. Lastly, we have a turmeric ginger carrot soup. This vibrant soup combines the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric and ginger with the sweetness of carrots. Sauté carrots with onions and garlic, add broth, and let it simmer until the carrots are soft. Blend until smooth and season with turmeric, ginger, and a touch of black pepper. These easy and delicious soup recipes are perfect for managing your blood sugar levels while enjoying a variety of flavors and nutrients. Give them a try and share your favorites in the comments below. Happy cooking! Welcome to Chapter 5, Tips for Making the Perfect Soup. In this final chapter, we will provide some useful tips and tricks to help you create the perfect soup every time. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, these tips will ensure your soups are always delicious and nutritious. First, always start with a good base. Using a high-quality broth or stock can make a huge difference in the flavor of your soup. Opt for low-sodium options to keep your soup healthy and blood sugar-friendly. Next, focus on fresh, whole ingredients. Fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains not only add flavor, but also pack a nutritional punch. Try to use seasonal produce for the best taste and nutritional value. Don't forget about herbs and spices. These can transform a simple soup into a culinary masterpiece. Experiment with different combinations to find your favorite flavors. Remember, herbs like basil, thyme, and rosemary can add depth, while spices like turmeric, cumin, and paprika can add warmth and complexity. Timing is everything. Add your ingredients in stages to ensure everything cooks evenly. Start with the ingredients that take the longest to cook, like root vegetables and meats, and add more delicate ingredients, like leafy greens and herbs, towards the end. Blending can make a big difference. For creamy soups, blend a portion or all of the soup to achieve your desired texture. For chunkier soups, use a potato masher or immersion blender to partially blend the soup, leaving some texture. Finally, taste as you go. Adjust seasoning throughout the cooking process to ensure your soup is perfectly balanced. A little bit of acid, like a squeeze of lemon or a splash of vinegar, can brighten up the flavors right before serving. With these tips, you'll be able to create soups that are not only delicious, but also perfect for managing your blood sugar levels. Happy cooking, and enjoy your culinary journey.